Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are discussing about invert sugar. Sucrose is the invert sugar. It is a disaccharide. When sucrose undergo hydrolysis, it becomes alpha-D-glucose and beta-D-fructose. Non-hydrolyzed state, the specific rotation of sucrose is 66 degree, which shows that it is a dextrorotatory. After hydrolysis, rotation of alpha-D-glucose is 52.5 degree and beta-D-fructose is negative 92.4 degree. Here is the formula. When the sucrose undergo hydrolysis reaction, it becomes alpha-D-glucose and beta-D-fructose. Sucrose is dextrorotatory. Rotation degree is 66 degree. Alpha-D-glucose is dextrorotatory. Rotation degree is 52.5 degree. Beta-D-fructose is levorotatory. Its rotation is negative 92.4 degree. When the net rotation of the mixture in the water is negative 39.9 degree. Sucrose rotate plane polarized light to clockwise direction. That is known as dextrorotatory. If the fructose, which rotate plane polarized light into anti-clockwise direction, it is known as levorotatory. Sucrose is hydrolyzed into glucose and fructose in the presence of a sucrase or invertase enzyme. Glucose exists in the water is pyranose structure and fructose is furanose structure. Fructose is less stable with that furanose structure, so it is converted into fructopyranose structure and become levorotatory. Thus, this change from dextrorotatory to levorotatory nature makes sucrose is a invert sugar. I hope you understand this video. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.